Hey, Tony Stock's in the building, and I'm just here to update y'all on my portfolio. As you can see, I am bleeding terribly. I'll be honest with you, this is the worst day I've had in a long time. Okay, and if this is gonna happen like anything that happened back then, means I'm gonna have 2 days like this in a row, because that's what happened back in March. And just to put this in perspective, it was the worst day for the Nasdaq in the last 2 months. So yeah, if you are invested in high multiple stocks, growth stocks, you are getting pampered right now. You are dying. Okay, you are dying. All right. I was damn near off for the week. Right here. Look at that shit. I just fell all the way tail, straight line down. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy. An explanation for this is the freaking pipeline going from Texas to New York getting hacked, and now they asking for a ransom. I'm not going to go into too much detail on this, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. People are scared of inflation because gas prices are going to go up, at least in the short term. Everything else is going to go up, and all these stocks are falling to freaking hell. All right. So an update on my portfolio. I took out $95 from my portfolio. That's the money I made from my option. It was a $8 put expiring on May the 21st. This one right here. I was up 100%, and I decided to sell at $15. Okay. And now that money I'm going to use for something else. That's why it's out of my portfolio right now. In this play right now, currently, I am up 60%. Yesterday when I was showing you my portfolio, I was up 72%. But at one point right here, I was up 80%. And today is a terrible day for all for the whole stock market. So this put is gonna lose a lot of value today. It might go all the way down to 33, God forbid 25. If it does, I'm gonna lose $60 today. I'll be back at break even. I really pray it does not go down that far, but we'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens though. And this 4% of loss in the after hours is gonna look like nothing. I've lost 7.38% total. That's crazy, dog. That's crazy, dog. It's come back a bit. Like 20 minutes ago, it was at 7.68. So I guess that's kind of good news, but it's still terrible, dog. It's been a long time since I lost money like this. Let's look at my stocks. Tesla. It's fell even more in the after hours. It's a lot. Neo. It's at $31, bro. Bro. You know what? I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get some extra money because I need to buy stocks right now. I need like sweet $200 to buy stocks right now because this is a really good dip. ARC, it fell 4%. In the after hours. Airbnb, come on, bro. When everything was in pain. Airbnb was trading sideways. Look at it. It actually gained some value too. So things started dropping around here, January. So you got some value all the way up here. It started falling, trading sideways. You going up, you know what I'm saying? Falling down, coming up, blah, 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 blah. I had an okay cost basis, so I wasn't bleeding that much. 188, whatever. Now I'm down really bad. This is a stock that I should have got out of. But I lost so much money in it. I was like, you know what, I might as well stay in. Yeah, but it is what it is. I don't know if I'm gonna buy more. So we'll see. Nvidia fell 3%. Too. It's crazy. They just falling the same amount of percentage wise they fell during the day, except Qualcomm. Qualcomm's kind of holding steady. I was up like 15% in this stock 2 weeks ago. That's how much this shit is falling, okay? It's crazy, dog. Draftkings, oh my God, don't even get me started on Draftkings, bro. Shit. Damn. They missed earnings, you know. Then there was the overall negative pressure on the stock market. Then they missed the earnings by, was it 111%, negative 111%? Damn. And now this thing with a pipeline, it's just a perfect storm, bruh. It has fallen so much the past week. Look at this shit. It's fallen 22% in a week. Over here, it's just a normal bleed, but look at this. 22%, 23%. Oh my gosh, that is a lot, bro. That is a lot. That is a lot, bro. Okay? It is what it is, though. Veil, it's a value play. I'm actually even surprised it's falling in this after hours. It doesn't move that much in after hours normally. It's also trading at all-time highs, so yeah, it is what it is. I got a really good cost basis in this. I wanted to get 10 stocks, but the price kept on going up, and I'm like, shit, I was just waiting for it to dip, and it hasn't really dipped ever since. If you look at the chart, it's just whoop. On this day, did I buy on this day? Yes, I bought. I think I bought on this day. Because I bought on the red day one time. But look, it's just been going up. It's just been going up. But before it went up, it came down. It came down a little bit, came back up, then went back down. Now, every single time it went back down, I never had any money to buy. And I was like, yeah, it's going to stay there for a while. Ever since right before I got any money, that shit moved, Main Street Capital, dividend play. I don't expect this to move too much today. These two, I don't expect this to move too much today. Matter of fact, it might fall, but I don't expect it to move too much today. So, yeah, that's how my portfolio is looking like. Looks like we're making a small comeback. It's just a really small one, yeah. This is a really long video. Let's take a look at Bank of America, I made a lot of money on the stock options of Bank of America because I memorized how it moves. So, yeah, I always check Bank of America. Let's look at the A-list. My A-list. This is like some of the biggest companies. I should really add Microsoft here. 2% down, 1% down. Hey, yo, if anything, I wanted to get into Apple, but I had a price target of like $119. Honestly, anything below 120, and it's looking like it might fall down there. I thought it was good. I thought it was done for real, and I was like, nah. Let me just do the penny stocks. Looking for the month. These stocks have been falling like shit. Let's see. It's falling as much as 80%. That's crazy, Let's look at the cryptos. Ethereum and Bitcoin are doing great. I mean, Bitcoin's doing okay. Ethereum's doing better. I really need to get myself into Ethereum. But yeah, I haven't though. Dogecoin. Yesterday Dogecoin fell like 11%. Riot and Mara. I'm not really gonna explain this, but it's just cryptocurrency for stocks. That's what you should know. Alright, now let's look at the ETFs, the markets. The Dow Jones is also falling in the pre-market too. The S&P 500 is falling. And obviously the NASDAQ too is bleeding. I'm still bleeding. I'm still bleeding. From this high, it's falling 6%. Well, 6% from its high. So yeah, is the market still falling, still crashing? I don't know. The volatility index is going up 6%. Wow, there's a lot of volatility going on right now. Okay, for this shit, it should up 6%. Because let me put this in perspective for you. Okay, around 2 p.m. Hold on, let me look at my portfolio too. Yeah, that's when the bleeding started. Anyways, for this shit to go up 6%, okay, there has to be a lot of volatility. A lot of volatility, negative wise or positive. Usually it will go up like 2% or 3% on a crazy day. Look at this. Went up 9%, 5% down, over 8%. It's 5%, So the volatility right now is crazy. But usually it goes up like 2% or something. It's not that much. Anyway, I've been rambling for a really long time. I hope I didn't bore y'all, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please make sure you come back for more, because I'm going to be talking about more stuff that's going on in the stock market, trying to give you an explanation for what's happening based on my inferior knowledge. Yeah, and that is what it is, Bob. I'll see you in the next video. Tony Stocks.